Still on the stories making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers this morning from the Guardian newspaper, we'll flip over to the leadership newspaper. Tertiary institutions, National Assembly seeks enhance security, power infrastructure. Women leaders demand gender equity in humanitarian affairs appointment. Enugu government visit Igbo-Jah's family, says enough is enough. Niger Delta youth to storm Abuja over Port Harcourt refinery. Varsity Dawn decries a failure to retain African history. Niger Delta Group issues ultimatum over oil installations. Edo governor-elect Opeboro mocks Obaseki over $45 million loan. Action Aid tax government on massive food production. Esako East local government area share hails Momo's appointment, sues for collaboration. I am not tampering with local government funds. Ayedatiwa, Lagos approves upgrade of Lasucom to Varsity of Medicine. Court fixes judgment date in contractor suit against Oyedepo Church. Lagos inaugurates innovative media, cooperative multipurpose society. Falana seeks more leadership positions for women. Grand Kwadi wants justice dispensed in line with Islamic religion. Ending lead poisoning is possible. Withheld salaries. Varsity workers begin nationwide strike today. Group urges BRICS to rise to challenges in Gaza. Association gets new president. 7 killed in Abuja building collapse. Non-governmental organization seeks government involvement in early diagnosis and treatment of childhood cancer. Lottery to empower 100 FCT indigents with 250,000 naira grant each. FCT residents appeals to Wike to tackle hoodlums harassing motorists. Why I arranged to kidnap my local government chairman's friend, councillor. 200 environmental law offenders arrested, prosecuted in Kwara. Cabinet reshuffle. Civil society organizations fault exclusion of women in humanitarian ministry. Lawmaker seeks federal government's intervention as flood worsens Calabar Itu Highway. Rivers Monarch tax security agencies, community leaders on fight against cultism. Saudi Arabia hosts donors conference, raises $1.1 billion for Sahel, Lake Chad. Bauchi government intensifies a drive to improve girl child education. Northern senators flee power outage in region. NUC, MLSCN clear Taraba Varsity to graduate medical students. Federal government awards 78.2 billion naira water projects to GIDADU Ventures. Ceylon Construction.